Beyond Catrinas and Sugar Skulls. This informational text explains the origin of the Day of the Dead holiday and how this date is celebrated in countries other than Mexico. As you read, you will practice basic verb conjugation in the present tense. October is the month of Halloween, but also of the yellow flowers and sugar skulls that represent the Day of the Dead in Mexico, November 1 and 2. Although throughout Latin America this is a date that combines pre-Hispanic and Catholic traditions, the artistic expressions vary from country to country. Some common elements of the celebration include the cleaning of graves and the preparation of special recipes. In Ecuador, for example, they prepare the guagua de pan, which is a small bread in the shape of a doll. There they also make purple colada, a drink of cinnamon water and fruit. Families gather and visit the graves of their relatives. Sometimes they serenade them. From the indigenous groups of South America comes the tradition of gathering to wait for the souls who visit their relatives at noon on the 1st of November. At the table, the bread of the dead cannot be missing, which in an Aymara dialect is called tantawawa, which means child's bread. In Mexico, they celebrate the memory of the deceased with many rites and traditions. Families clean their homes and the graves of their loved ones. They decorate the streets with shredded paper and cempasúchil flowers, which is a variety of the marigold. In each home, they make an altar with photographs of those who have died. They decorate them with images of saints, sugar skulls, crosses, and hearts. They prepare favorite dishes and include bread of the dead, which is flavored with orange and anise. Some people participate in parades, dressing up as Catrinas, elegantly dressed female skeletons. In some towns, they trace a path of yellow petals to guide the deceased to the cemetery. The celebration ends at midnight when the graves are illuminated by hundreds of candles. In the United States, the Day of the Dead has a more cultural than religious meaning. In several cities, it is common to see parades, dances, art exhibits, and cultural talks by Hispanics celebrating the Day of the Dead.